Convention against torture and other cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. Adopted by General Assembly Resolution 3946 of December 10, 1984. Article 5. 1. Each state party shall take such measures as may be necessary to establish its jurisdiction over the offences set forth in Article 4 in the following cases. A. When the offences are committed in any territory under its jurisdiction or on board a ship or aircraft registered in that state. B. When the alleged offender is a national of that state. C. When the victim is a national of that state and if that state considers it appropriate. 2. Each state party shall similarly take such measures as may be necessary to establish its jurisdiction over such offences in cases where the alleged offender is present in any territory under its jurisdiction and it does not extradite him in accordance with Article 8 to any of the states referred to in paragraph 1 of this article. 3. This convention does not exclude the exercise of any criminal jurisdiction in accordance with domestic law. Article 6. 1. Having satisfied itself, after reviewing the information at its disposal, that the circumstances so require, any state party in whose territory a person accused of committing any of the offences referred to in Article 4 is present shall take him into custody or take other legal measures to ensure his presence. Detention and other such legal measures are carried out in accordance with the legislation of that state, but may only last for the time necessary to take criminal procedural or extradition actions. 2. Such a state shall immediately carry out a preliminary investigation of the facts. 3. Any person in custody pursuant to paragraph 1 of this article shall be assisted in immediately establishing contact with the nearest appropriate representative of the state of which he is a national or, if he is a stateless person, with a representative of the state in which he habitually resides. 4. When a state takes a person into custody in accordance with this article, it shall immediately notify the states referred to in paragraph 1 of Article 5 of the fact that such person is in custody and of the circumstances that gave rise to his detention. The state conducting the preliminary investigation provided for in paragraph 2 of this article shall immediately inform the aforementioned states of the data it has received and indicate whether it intends to exercise its jurisdiction.